What's up guys? Welcome back to TR3 Performance. Today we have a beautiful SF90 Fiorano package that we got some goodies on it. Starting off, the car came in, it had only a front end PPF, so we completed the paint protection to the back. We did the windshield protection from XPEL as well on the outside, and then full tints around the inside as well to protect it from UV. Obviously giving it that stealth look on the inside for the client, doesn't want people seeing on the inside. Came out flawless. On top of that, we did lower it on factory coilovers. As you know, the Fiorano package doesn't come with the front lift, so the client didn't want to go too low, especially not scratching this beautiful carbon fiber front lip the car has. Not only did this client want to keep this beautiful Ferrari protected, but he also wanted it to sound a bit better and have some additional power. On top of the PPF, we also did a full titanium RYFT system, catback, cats, the whole 9 yard. We tuned the car, adding about 140 horsepower additional to what it comes from factory. I'm sure you guys have seen the LaFerrari video that we straight piped. This thing, just as insane. Obviously different note because it's a V8 twin turbo engine, but we do have some rev clips and we do have some drive-bys coming up shortly, so stay tuned to listen to how insane this thing sounds. We do have a few more ponies in the stable, and we do have a few more goodies coming up shortly here. So if you do like these videos and our content, go like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.